non più tra I farfalloni amoroso.
And what are we doing, Malcolm?
What are we doing? We're doing squid ink pasta with prawns and garlic. It's fun.
Oh.
Yeah. But I mean, like the dough is just coarse semolina flour plus regular flour plus an egg for every 100 grams of flour that's in it. And that's it. That's it. Well, and squid ink.
Hey guys, we're here with Taste of Travel and I'm here with my good friend Malcolm today and he's teaching me to roll pasta for the first time. So we're going to give this a go. He's made a beautiful squid ink pasta dough and we're excited to get this rolling in his authentic Italian pasta machine. So let's give it a go.
I like the pun for rolling. That's good. We're going to roll it straight on through.
Okay. So just grab hold of the handle.
Just grab hold of the handle and put it through. So we've got this on the wider setting.
Hold that bit as well. Okay.
You can just let it go. So we're just
just let it go now?
Yeah. Just trying to get it started.
Okay. Okay, so it rolls quite easily.
So while it's on the wider setting, we're just like kneading it out again. So put it through. So we'll fold it, put it through.
Okay, on the folded side or the... Oh shit, I've broken it. Wow, isn't that something?
Cut that bit out, right?
This only happens on video, you break the pasta machine.
Yeah.
Okay, so it goes in not the folded side, that side, okay? Right.
Turn it again,
Okay, I see. Oh, so that handle does come out, it didn't actually break it.
It doesn't really lock in.
That's good. Okay,
So take it
now...
out and then fold it lengthways.
So lengthwise is that way?
Well, that's probably a bad instruction. So it'd be that way.
Okay, so
is that lengthwise? Or widthwise? That is lengthwise.
Okay, well...
I wasn't 100% sure.
Okay, so we're going in again.
Got it.
Cool.
And then fold it one more.
Lengthwise again?
No, widthwise.
Widthwise, so that would be that way.
That way, yeah.
Okay.
Malcolm, can you show us one of the better ones?
What?
So here's the amazing one that Embassy did
It's
just earlier.
completely.
It's good and long and just the right width. We'll be able to cut this in half and actually roll
It's
it.
almost as if done by like a professional, right?
Someone that's obviously done this before, clearly. But
Right, so now I'm going to fold it this way.
yeah.
Like folding towels. Hate folding towels.
Well, that
Did you
explains
notice
a
how
few
your
things.
towels aren't folded that well, Andrea, on your bed? It's because I folded them. Okay.
That looks great. That's much better.
So we can work with that. That's good.
Thank God. Really?
Yeah, you don't need to fold it. That's okay.
Okay.
That's alright. A little bit of...
Having a
You just want
cheerleader
to say
helps.
host, don't you? You're like just...
Okay.
Great job, ladies.
Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.